Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to explain the Battlefield 6 Battle Royale. So, on Battle 6, matches will have 100 players divided into 25 squads of 4 players each. There will be a dedicated map built specifically for BR mode. These various points of internet offering different tactical layouts. As a core part of the experience, you can expect to be able to change the terrain or buildings to your advantage or disadvantage. Also, classic Battlefield elements like vehicles, gadgets, class-based roles like Assault, Support, Recon, Engineer are integrated into BR, and there's a deadly ring mechanic. When the zone shrinks, the ring instantly kills players upon contact, rather than causing gradual damage. No leeway or hiding in the ring. And also you'll be able to revive squad mates, and there's a mobile redeploy feature. The main game Battlefield 6 is set to release on October 10, 2025 on PC, PS5 and Xbox Series. The BR mode will be tested via Battlefield Labs around September 2025, and the BR mode is expected to be available after the game's release, not immediately on day one. And there's some speculation it could go live for more players around October 28, 2025, though that date isn't confirmed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.